Everything's ready to come out. I am so happy because I'm hungry. I don't know, I woke up hungry today, so I know I didn't eat good yesterday, but oh well. Look at my beautiful fish pieces. Oh my gosh. Nice and lightly browned. Got some beautiful, beautiful pieces. Invite me lining the bowl. If I don't eat it all today, which I know I'm not, it's nicely covered. Can't ask for no more. So here are my beautiful fish pieces. Nice and lightly browned. I'm trying to show it to you. I don't know. Yeah. Nicely lightly browned. And my acorn squash has cooled down. It said to leave it in there for about an hour until it was easy to pierce, and I'm quite sure it is easy to pierce because it looks like it's cooked all the way through. Yes, it is. So let me put that more or less in a bowl type thing because I don't want it to spill over. Because remember, I put the butter and the cinnamon and the brown sugar in there, so it's more like a bowl now, a cooked bowl, I guess you could. A cooked bowl. I'll let you know how it tastes. And the other one I'm going to leave wrapped up. So therefore, if I don't feel like eating it now, I'll be good. Which I know I'm not going to feel like eating. I'm going to put me a couple pieces of fish on the side and bon appetit, as they would say. I'm going to have to work on learning how to cook this acorn squash if I'm going to be eating it. It's not the greatest. It's not the worst. Could be better though, but you know, this is the first time. So, oh well, bon appetit. So if you like my video, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. And why? Please subscribe. Enjoy your holidays. No drunk driving, but get your party on. I love you. Bye-bye.